Dear students, today we are going to study exercise 1.6 laws of exponents. Laws of exponents means first of all we have to discuss the pattern of exponents. Here a is base and n is exponent. It is also known as power. It can be read as a raised to the power n. A raised to the power n. In the laws of exponents, first of all we have to know if we have given same base in multiplication and different power, then we have to add powers. In another situation, same base in division and different powers, then powers should be subtract. If we have given a raised to the power m and power n, that means power on power, then we have to multiply these powers. If we have given different bases and same powers, then we have to multiply these bases and common power to both bases. Similarly, in division, a raised to the power m divided by b raised to the power m, then we can write a upon b whole power m. If we have given a raised to the power minus n, then we can convert it into positive power and denominator. Conversely, also true, if we have given 1 upon a raised to the power minus n, then we can write a raised to the power n. And if the power of any number is 0, then it equals to 1. A raised to the power 0 equals to 1. If we have given in radical sign root over any number a and n is written here, it is known as radical sign, equals to, we can write a raised to the power 1 upon n. It means the nth root of a can be written as a raised to the power 1 upon n. For example, 3, then a raised to the power 1 upon 3. Cube root means third root of a. If we have given 2, then a raised to the power half. Now we have to solve the questions of exercise 1.6. The first question is 64 raised to the power half. Then we have to find the prime factorize of 64. 64 divided by 2 equals to 32, divided by 2 equals to 16, divided by 2, 8, divided by 2, 4, 2 equals to 1. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, to the 32, multiply to 64. Then we can write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 raised to the power 6 and power 1 upon 2. By using laws of exponents, we can write a raised to the power m and power m. Then we have to multiply m and n. Then we can write 2 raised to the power 6 multiply 1 upon 2. 6 divided by 2 equals to 3. Now we can write 2 raised to the power 3 equals to 2 multiply 2, 8. And the remaining questions, second and third, you can solve in your homework. Very simple. And question number 2, find the values of 9 raised to the power 3 upon 2. Now here we can write 9 equals to 3 raised to the power 2. 3 raised to the power 2, that means 3 multi 3, 9. Again we can use a raised to the power m and power n equals to a raised to the power m multiplied by n. 3 raised to the power 2 multiply 3 upon 2 equals to 3 raised to the power 3. Now we can write 3 multiply 3 multiply 3, 3 3 ja 9, 9 3 ja 27. In this question number 4, 125 raised to the power minus 1 upon 3. In this situation we can write 5 raised to the power 3 and power minus 1 upon 3. 5 5 is 25, 25 5 is 125. Now a raised to the power m power n equals to a raised to the power m multiplied by n. Now 5 raised to the power 3 multiplied by minus 1 upon 3. Now 3 divided by 3 equal to 1. Now we can write 5 raised to the power minus 1, because we know that a raised to the power minus n equals to, we can write 1 upon a raised to the power n. That's why it will be 1 upon 5. Now in the question number 3, simplify. First one is 2 raised to the power 2 upon 3 multiplied by 2 raised to the power 1 upon 5. Now we have given same bases and different powers. A raised to the power m multiplied by a raised to the power n equals to a raised to the power m plus n. Now we can write 2 raised to the power 2 upon 3 plus 1 upon 5. Now we have to take LCM of 3 and 5 equals to 15 in power. 15 is divided by 3 equals to 5 multiplied by 2, 10 plus 15 is divided by 5 equals to 3 multiplied by 1. Now we can write 2 raised to the power 13 upon 15. In another question number 3, question number second of third, you can solve in your homework. 11 raised to the power half upon 11 raised to the power 1 upon 4. Here a raised to the power m upon a raised to the power n. In division we can write a raised to the power m minus n. Now 11 raised to the power 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 4. Now 4 is LCM in power. 4 is divided by 2 equals to 2 minus 1. Now the answer will be 11 raised to the power 1 upon 4. In the question number 4 of third, 7 raised to the power half multiplied by 8 raised to the power half. In this situation, a power m multiplied by b power m, we can write a multiplied b whole power m. Now it will be 7 multiplied by 8 power half. 7 8 ja 56 raised to the power half. Very simple. The exercise 1.6 is completed. The remaining questions will be solved in your homework. Very easy. Keep watching the videos and continue your study.